Aluminum Economizer dock plates are an economical way to speed up truck loading and unloading. These solid aluminum dock plates span the opening between the dock and a trailer, allow pallet or hand truck along with foot traffic to safely move in and out of the trailer. They are constructed of high-strength, lightweight aluminum alloy non-skid tread plate. The handles are located on each side for portability and are zinc-plated. The locking legs are OSHA compliant. The bend or crown is 11 degrees and located 9 inches from the edge of a dock plate. We have 2 lines of aluminum Economizer dock plate. One is our Series E, which has a 3/8 plate thickness and come in a variety of sizes and capacities. Our Series EH has a 1/2 inch plate thickness and come in a variety of sizes and capacities. The aluminum Economizer dock plates are not to be used with fork trucks.